All that running took a lot out of me. I'm gonna...
What have you done to me? You're maniacs!
I'm so hungry.
I don't know, my stomach... What's wrong?
Oh, someone's hungry. I'll go find berries that are safe to eat. I'd hate for you to starve right after I saved your life. Because there wouldn't be much of a celebration.
I'm hungry.
Have a deal.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh. You don't need to eat that pizza. You don't need to eat that pizza.
How did you know?
I saw your cash kicker. It's all everyone's talking about here on the internet.
Everyone who contributed is expecting me to eat a burger with them. One-on-one. That can't be healthy, right?
Let me see. Well, as a medical professional, I have to agree that eating that many burgers can't be good. For your own safety and the safety of those around you, I advise you to stop.
Oh, that is such a relief.
Milk contains high-quality protein that helps build muscle.
You should meet my twin, a lactose-free milk.
The anti-aging cream?
What?
My tummy is getting hungry.
Yeah, let's eat. Angela, you might want to wash your wormy hank juice.
Uh-oh, I need to go potty.
Wait, no, just no. Hank was right.
Oh, you hear that, guys? My tummy's ready for some din-din.
What the hell is din-din?
You know din-din like dinner?
Dude, are you 2 years old?
Guys, calm down. Chef Pee-Pee will be done cooking dinner soon.
Well, what's he cooking? Because my tummy's ready for some din-din. Isn't that right, tummy? Yeah, Cody, I want some din-din.
Dude, if you say din-din one more time, your ass is done.
I love this show.
Actually, this show sucks.